These tiny dark purple gems aren't just a sweet treat on summer mornings. They're one of nature's most powerful superfoods. Known scientifically as Rubus fruticosus, blackberries go by many names: brambleberries, dewberries, thimbleberries. But no matter what you call them, their benefits are simply extraordinary. They thrive in sunny areas with well-drained soil, often along roadsides, fences, and forest edges. They're harvested by hand during the summer months, usually July to September. Their thorny vines might make them tricky to pick, but trust us, it's worth it. Blackberries are packed with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which give them their deep purple color. These compounds help fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and protect cells from damage. They're also rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, manganese, and high in fiber, making them great for gut health and immune defense. But blackberries don't just help your body, they boost your brain too. Studies suggest that regular consumption may improve cognitive function, enhance memory, and slow age-related brain decline. The flavonoids in blackberries may also support heart health by lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Here's a simple healing recipe to tap into blackberry power. Blend 1 cup of blackberries, half a banana, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a handful of spinach with almond milk. Want glowing skin? Try this easy blackberry face mask. Mash a handful of blackberries with honey and yogurt. Apply it to your skin for 15 minutes. The antioxidants help rejuvenate tired skin and reduce redness. Did you know blackberries were used historically to treat mouth ulcers and sore throats? Blackberry tea made from leaves or dried berries can soothe the throat and help control blood sugar levels. Blackberries aren't just delicious, they're medicine disguised as dessert. From brain health to radiant skin, this humble fruit offers a full-body tune-up in every bite. We are so glad you've joined in today. If you found this video helpful, give it your best thumbs and leave a friendly comment below. Be sure to share your favorite way to use blackberries as well. Until next time, take care.